Start.
Okay, first I'll show about this phone. I think this phone was actually touchscreen by these, and here is to cut it, and here is the wire which takes it to like the modem or whatever, which gives the signal to this which like this wire is the basic thing where the voice is going, and from here you connect some other wire which goes to the modem, and that modem is taking it all the way to the person who you're calling. That is what I think about the phone. Now I'll show you about the remote control. Remote control, I think it's automatic because this is there. And
Could you show a little bit clearly?
okay, here these three things you can see.
Yeah.
49, 40 and 27.
Yeah.
And here it's on and off switch. You can see. And this, it has its own this antenna for the car, only the car, because it's not going to any wireless place or anything. It's only going to the car, which is also a limit. So that is why it doesn't have to connect to the modem or doesn't have to do such big things. So that is why it's like this.